all, beta. Today we'll do the third chapter of computer, that is man versus computer. We'll do revision, okay? Because tomorrow I'll take class test of that chapter and there are few students who are new. So we'll do the revision of that chapter. You all know that that chapter is about, yes, Lumini?
Ma'am, oral test.
No, written test. Tomorrow I'll take the test.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon, beta. Jay, it's afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, all of you mute. Now listen to me. This chapter is about man and computer. Okay. The comparison between man and computer will be done in this chapter. Take out your computer book. Chapter number 3, man versus computer. We'll do the revision of this chapter today. Fine, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
In this chapter, we will do the comparison between man and computer. And we'll discuss about various things smarter.
Ma'am, page number
121,
22 का निकालना.
page number 121 of computer. Okay, and I'll share the screen also. Wait,
Ma'am,
man versus computer.
ma'am, page number
21, beta. All of you see your chat box. I have written over there the chapter name and the number, page number. Okay, look there. And now nobody will speak in between. Listen to me first. Swasti, those who are new students, listen carefully, beta. Okay. This chapter is about beta man and the computer. Who is more smarter? The comparison between them will be done in this chapter. Fine. I am sharing the screen, and by this way you can learn about the who is smarter. Okay, my screen is visible, beta. Okay, this chapter is about man versus computer. Okay, first you can see there is a pic of computer. After that, man is there. So first the computer is saying that, hi friends, you know that a computer can do many things. We know that computer can do many things. Yes? Yes or no? Reply to me. A computer can do many things. For example, yes, for example, you can type on computer, you can write your notes. Yes? You can play video games on computer. If you want to do calculation, you can do. You want to do video calling, you can do. Yes, आपको किसी को call करना है, that also you can do. Yes, and there are many more new features. Like if you want to do shopping, online shopping, that also you can do through computers. Yes, if you want to buy toys, that also. So computer is used in various forms, various purposes. It has made life very fast and easy. Therefore, it can be better than you. The computer is saying these lines to the man. Okay, man को बोल रहा है ये कि this, like I am very fast. I can do the calculation and the way very fast. Within a second, I can take out the result. Therefore, it can be better than you. इसलिए मैं man से अच्छा हूँ. Okay, he is comparing man and itself, himself. The computer is comparing himself and the man. Who is better? Okay. So now we'll discuss man versus computer. First, the man is saying, but how it can be possible? Man is saying it is not possible because man had made computer. Because the computer is made by man. Yes, that you all know the first computer is invented by the first computer. Who invented the computer? Can anyone tell me? You have studied in your last class, first class. Who invented computer? Okay, I'll tell you. Charles Babbage invented the first computer. Yes, Charles Babbage invented the first computer. Very good. Yes, he is an English mechanical engineer. Okay. And Charles Babbage is known as father of the computer. Okay, so who made computer? We human made the computer. So how can it possible कि computer is best? It is good. Okay, man has made computer. Then how can be a computer be better than a man? Okay, so how it is possible कि computer is better than a man? Because we made computer. So By this line, it wants to say that the man should be the best. Computer only works according to the instruction given by human. Okay, now what's computer only follow the instruction which were given by us. Without man, computer is a dumb machine. For example, now listen carefully, all of you. Listen. Right now I'm taking your class. Okay, I'm giving you example. Okay, I'm taking your class. When class is there, like our class start from 1 o'clock. Okay, when you enters in the class, I'm allowing each and every student. मैम आपको allow करती है क्लास में आने के लिए. I am giving instruction to the computer. Then only you are joining the class. मैम allow करती है. For example, OV okay, allow. Who is Yashvi, allow. Niharika, allow. Arsh, allow. Rehansh, allow. Swasti, allow. Okay, I'm allowing you all to join the class. If I'll not give the instruction to the computer, then you will not able to join the class. Okay, got this? मैम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रही है बेटा. ओके फाइन. देन यू ऑल आर will be able to join the class. Otherwise, you all not will be able to join the class. Yes.
Ma'am, we give to ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you take in the class. You
I'm
take
saying
computer
beta.
class. You
No,
take
beta, what I want to say, listen to me, Lumni, now mute. When I'm giving instruction to the computer that this child wants to join the class and I'm allowing you, I'm giving what instruction to the computer, then only you can join the class. Okay. If I not allow you, I'll not give any instruction to the computer, then you will not able to enter in the class. मैम जब कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देगी तभी आप क्लास में एंटर हो पाओगे, नहीं हो पाओगे. अगर मैम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देगी तो क्लास ही नहीं हो पाएगी. फाइन.
मैम जैसे आप फोन में क्लास कर रहे हो तो फोन को भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पड़ते हैं क्या?
Yes, phone, laptop, PC, yes, they all require instructions. Fine. If you want to access any file, any document, all these things require instructions. Okay, without man, computer is a dumb machine. If man is not there, then who will give the instruction to the computer? No one. Then its computer is of no use for you. Yes. If we will not give any instruction to the computer, then it's of no use. It's a dumb machine. Fine. Now next, but still I, who is I? I is a computer, but still I am better than you. The computer is saying, still I am better than you. Let's have a comparison. Computer is saying, I am better than the man. How? Now, we'll see the difference between a man and a computer. Okay. Children, given below is a comparison chart between a man and a computer. Read on and find out who is smarter. Now we'll find out who is smarter, man or a computer. Fine. First one is about the computer. That is, can remember many things and never forgets them. The computer is saying a computer can store, recover and many things and he never forgets. Right? This is correct. If right now, if you save any document in the computer, this is example beta. If you type any document and you save any document in the computer, it will be there and you can access that document anytime after many years, after 10 years, 20 years. Yes? कभी भी आप उस document को access कर सकते हो. Fine. Can and in man can remember few things and can forget them after some time. Yes. Now you can see in your last class, in your first class, what you have studied, most of you have forgot that thing, what you have studied in the first class, right? After first class में क्या पढ़ा था, बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चों को हमको याद होगा, तो ऐसा भूल गए होंगे. Yes, because we forgot, we not have that much of sharp mind, you can say. We have, but we forget the things, beta. Okay, हम चीजों को भूल जाते हैं, but computer does not forget anything. He never forget anything. Okay. Computer stores all the things which we save there. Okay, so computer never forget anything. He remember all the things and you can access all the things at any time. आप कभी भी access कर सकते हो उन things को. And We man cannot remember few things. At times we remember things, but most of the time we does not remember any things. We forgot some things. Second point is doesn't make any mistake. Computer doesn't make any mistake, and we man make mistake. We can take the example of calculations. Okay, when we calculate, like if I want to calculate 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus and this, at times I can make mistake. Yes, but if you do calculation in computer, it will not make any mistake. Yes, computer will not make
Ma'am,
any
what
mistake.
is page number?
It's page number 2222. Those who are not
Ma'am,
having
what
the
is
books,
the page number?
page number 22, beta. Okay, now computer doesn't make any mistake and we man make mistake. This is the second difference, beta. If I want to do any calculation, I'll take time and maybe I am wrong or maybe at times I will right. But computer will never done any mistake. Okay, the computer will always take right decision. And third point is better mute yourself. Third point is works very fast. Who works very fast? Computer works very fast. And this
Ma'am,
third point
computer works very fast and
yes,
man works very slow.
and the man works slower than a computer. Yes, man works little bit slow than the computer. How beta?
Ma'am, computers need electricity to work.
Yes, that is correct.
Man doesn't need computer is an electronic machine. Electricity to work.
Yes, yes. Wait, Peter. Now we will discussing the point.
Doesn't need electricity to work.
Yes, that is good, beta. But right now, last year we are doing the third point. That is, computer works very fast. You can see when you are doing any work in the computer. Okay, that within a second, within a minute, you can do that work. But if you are writing, for example, to write any notes in the computer, okay, and if you want that same note in your notebook, who will take the more time, a notebook or a computer? When writing the notes in the computer will take more time or writing in a computer? When you're writing in a notebook, that will take more time. Yes. When you type in the computer, it will take less time. Okay, so who works fast? Computer works fast because there are already alphabets are there. Yes, numbers key and all the keys are there. You have to just type the spelling and just put this space and you complete your work. But when you're doing any work in the notebook, you have to see the spelling also, proper format also. In computer, all the format and all the numbers are already mentioned there. Right, beta? By this way, computer works very fast and we are little bit slow. Next point is doesn't get tired. Who doesn't get tired, beta? Computer. Computer doesn't get tired and we get tired after some point. Yes. On computer, we can continuously do our work. Yes. On computer. Which beta? Which? What are you asking? Yes. So which point you want to listen? Which point? Okay, the difference. Okay, again I'll tell you. Wait, beta, wait for a minute. Let me finish it and again I'll tell you the first 2 points. Okay. Third, doesn't get tired and gets tired after some time. Computer never gets beta tired. How you can continuously work on the computer or a laptop, but it will not get tired. Okay. Now you are taking your online classes since from the morning on the laptop on the PC. Yes. पर कंप्यूटर टायर्ड हुआ है क्या, थक गया है क्या? नो, बट वी गेट टायर्ड. आप थक गए हो? यस और नो? यस, while taking the class, while doing the work and all, we get tired. पर कंप्यूटर थकता है क्या? नो ना. Even After that, you can take so many classes, you play games also, you watch movie also, but computer never gets tired. Kabhi nahi thakta, but we get tired. Yes. You can take one more example. If you want to draw drawings like you, yes.
मैम आप कंप्यूटर वर्क इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैम नॉट वर्क इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Yes, that is correct, Arsh. Very good. Okay. Computer needs electricity and we human doesn't need any electricity. That is correct point. That we'll discuss at the end. Okay, now we are discussing the point who gets more tired. Okay, and we human get tired. For example, if I want to draw some animation or graphic design. If I draw in the notebook, I'll get after some time I'll get tired. Ma'am thak jayegi through time ke baad. But if you want to do same thing in the computer will not get tired. Okay, you can do your work for many and many hours on the computer. Right, beta? Okay. Next point is about the computer. Computer cannot take.
Your new decision on its own.
Don't mute, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am can
Yes.
say.
Computer cannot take decision on. He can take a decision on its own. For example, if I'll talk about I want to study, I can take my decision. Yes, yes, beta. If I want to study, I'll take my decision. Yes, it's my class. Now I have to join my class. Okay. If I want to go for the shopping, mama, I want to go for shopping. Ab decision le lete ho. Within a second, you can take your decision. Yes. Mama, I want to play game. This is my time to evening. I want to play the game. So by this way, you are taking your decision. Okay, I am feeling hungry. Give me food. These are your decisions. If you are feeling hungry, mama, I need food. Like this, so you can take your decision on your own. Fine. But in the case of the computer, what you can see, a computer cannot take its decision.
Ma'am, I make a butterfly.
Wait, beta. Okay. What for computer we need to give the commands. Okay. Right? We need to give the every time we have to press certain keys for the command. If I want to play the game on the computer, I have to press like this game. I have to type the name of the computer. That is the command. This is the name of the game. Then I have to press the enter key. Okay, then I'll get that game. Then I have to follow some certain instruction regarding that. When I give certain commands to the computer, then only he'll perform the functions or take the decision. Okay, but as a man, we all can take our decision on our own. हम खुद अपने decisions ले सकते हैं, but computer अपने आप decision नहीं ले सकता है. Okay, बेटा? Now, next point is doesn't have feelings. Computer doesn't have feelings.
No, ma'am.
We
No, ma'am.
have
No, ma'am.
feelings.
Man, the
Now,
man. Man.
Yes.
Feelings.
The man
Man,
has
man.
feeling. Very good. Good. Beta, we all are human beings. Okay, we have feelings.
Man,
We have
computer
feeling of
cannot
happy, sad, angry. Yes, these all kinds of feelings we have. Okay, because we have a human brain. हमारे पास human brain है. That's why we all have these kinds of feeling. But computer does not have human brain. बेटा, उसके पास human brain नहीं है. Okay, उसके पास कौन सा brain है? Information वाला brain है. That's why he can perform all the tasks very fast and quickly.
हम उससे बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं. That is the information beta. That is information technology brain a computer has.
मैम और हमने कोई वर्क किया उसे सेव भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, we can do many kinds of work or any kind of work you can do on the computer. Fine. Yes. The next is yes, doesn't have feelings. A computer does not feel like. आप देख रहे हो कभी कि computer को sad feeling है, happy feeling है? You see this? No, never. But we human feel sad and all, right? Yes, we have feeling, but computer does not have any feeling. Okay, beta. The next point is computer needs electricity to work. Yes, computer needs electricity to do work. Without electricity, computer will not do any kind of work. Okay, but we human does not need any kind of electricity to do work. Okay, that you all know. We does not require any kind of electricity to do work. Okay, yes or no, we require electricity to do work. अगर मैम को अभी कुछ खाना बनाना है तो मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की रिक्वायरमेंट है. Yes or no? No, I'll not require any kind of electricity.
लाइट की रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए होती है, अंधेरा होता है जब.
बस a computer needs electricity to perform all the tasks. Okay, computer requires electricity. Without electricity, a computer will not perform any kind of task. Fine, beta. Computer cannot work without electricity, and there are many more things I'll tell you. A computer cannot think and take decision on its own, right? But we human can take our decision and perform any task on our own. And a computer cannot do the same task again and again without getting tired. Computer can work for many and many hours, but we cannot perform for many hours, right? Now, anyone having any doubt?
No,
I'll
ma'am.
repeat that point. I'll repeat that point. No? Now, the difference between computer and a man. First point, computer can remember things. Yes, we cannot remember the things. First point. Second point, computer doesn't make any mistake, but we can make any mistake. Third point, computer works very fast. Yes, and we work slower than the computer.
Slower than a computer.
Yes, computer doesn't get tired.
Doesn't get tired.
Tired.
Man
We get
get tired.
Man get tired. Next point.
Cannot take decision on its own.
Yes, computer cannot take its decision on their own, but we can take our decision. Yes. Next point.
Doesn't have feeling. Have
Very good.
feeling.
Yes,
Need
computer doesn't have any feeling, and we have
to work.
feelings. Yes, and the last one is computer needs electricity.
Needs
but does not
electricity to
require
work.
any
Doesn't
kind of
take electricity to work. मैम हमें
Yes,
टीवी
very
के
good,
लिए
Kyari.
भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए होती है, फैन के लिए
Yes,
भी चाहिए
yes.
होती है.
Yes, Pita. Computer
मैम
is a
हमें
kind of
पंखे के लिए भी चाहिए, टीवी के लिए भी
Pita.
चाहिए.
Requires electricity. All the machine requires electricity. Okay, computer is a machine, fan is a machine, television is a machine. Okay, all the machines require electricity to perform the task. Fine. Now I'll ask you certain question. Now who will give the answer? I'll ask.
लाइट्स के लिए भी चाहिए होती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Yes, yes. Ayush, unmute yourself. Ayush. Okay, who will answer? Tanishwardan, are you there? Tanishwardan. Okay, Grant, tell me. It's a true false. A computer does not make any mistake. It's true or false? A computer does not make any mistake.
True.
It's a true. Yes, a computer never create or done any mistake. It's a true. But we humans can do many
Mistakes.
Yes. Now, yes. The next is who will give the answer? Mute, mute. Grant, Niharika, mute. Okay, Swasti, tell me, beta. It's true or false? A man gets tired. True or tired? Yes, beta. Man.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Your voice are not clear. Then your camera is on. Ma'am, your voice are not.
My voice is not audible. Niharika, I'm audible or not? Niharika Verma.
Ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, you are
Audible, na?
audible.
Okay, Ash, tell me, and after some time, it's correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
A man gets tired after doing some work. This is a correct statement or false statement?
Ma'am, correct.
Correct. Very good. Okay. After doing a work, we get tired. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, good afternoon, Tanish. You joined very late, beta. Why so? Why you joined late? Okay, Lumini, tell me. Lumini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute. Yes. Our computer has feeling. True or false? A computer has
False.
feeling. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
Very good. False. A computer does not have any kind of feeling. Okay, we human have many kinds of feeling. Right? Okay,
Yes,
next who
ma'am.
will answer?
And the man has feeling.
Man has feeling, but computer does not have any.
मैम ये 9 बजे से अपन ने क्लास ली थी ना मैम आई वांट टू से
Himanshu.
मैम
Yes, beta, Himanshu.
मैम
Himanshu. Now you will tell me about a man works faster than a computer. It's true or false? A man works faster than a computer.
false
A man works faster than a computer. Himanshu will answer. Only Himanshu will answer.
false
False. Yes. A man cannot work faster as like computer. Okay. We are little bit slow than the computer. Fine. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now you have to tell me only one word. Yes. Ask.
मैम बीच में
Yes, Tanish Vardhan.
9 बजे से क्लास शुरू हुई थी ना अपन की
9 o'clock, beta. You are having your math class.
मैथ्स क्लास मैथ्स
Okay. Now listen to me. Identify who performed the following task. Okay, you have to tell me who performed the following task. First one, works non-stop without getting tired. Who can work without getting tired? A computer or a man? Very good, Rodh. A computer can work without getting tired. Yes, good. Very good. Okay, a computer can work for many and many hours without getting tired. But after certain time, after certain period of time, we get tired. Okay, we men get tired. That is correct. Very good, Ruth. Okay, next, perform complex calculation in a second. Within a second, who will perform complex calculation? Within a second, computer can perform complex calculation within a second.
computer
It requires time. Very good, good. Okay, to perform complex calculation, we require time, but computer does not require any kind of time. Within a second, complex calculation can be done on the computer. Right. Now the next one, take decision on his own. Who takes decision on his own?
मैम
Yes, man takes decision on his own. Okay. Okay, but in computer we have to give the instruction. The computer will follow the instruction given by the man, right? In the computer we have to give the instructions, right? But we can take on our decision. A man can take their decision on their own. That is correct. Okay, the next one. Stores information for longer time. So, very good, Siddhi.
computer
Yes, now very good. Now Siddhi will better tell me last question. Siddhi will tell me. Siddhi, unmute yourself. Siddhi, are you there, beta? Yes, beta. Tell me, work without electricity. Who works without electricity, man or computer? A man can work without electricity. A man can work without electricity, but a computer can't work without electricity. Yes, computer requires electricity. Fine, beta? Okay. Now, anyone having any doubt regarding? Yes. Ask.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Wait, Siddhi have doubt.
No, ma'am. I have a doubt. No,
Yes, ask me. Ask me.
Ma'am, computer can do many things.
Yes. What's your question, beta? A computer can do many things. Yeah, it's
Ma'am,
correct.
false. Ma'am, the last.
Beta, he's saying a computer can do many things. Yes, he can perform various tasks. That is correct. Beta, anything else? Last question. Your voice is not.
Ma'am,
मेरा है कि
Yes, Ayush.
मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि
Speak in English, beta. Try to make sentence in English and correct this.
I have a question is
Yes.
Computer versus man in hell, man have feelings, computer have also
Yes, beta.
feelings.
Man has feeling like sad, happy, and like that. But a computer does not have any kind of feeling. Okay, आपने कभी देखा कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन को, लैपटॉप को हैप्पी है, सैड है, एंग्री है? नेवर ना. Computer does not have any kind of feeling, but a human has feelings. Okay, आपको feelings है. Right now you are very happy, at times you are sad, at times you are angry. Yes, when you got your favorite toy, that time you are very excited, very happy. So we have feelings. Fine. Asya, got this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now anyone having any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Are you there, beta? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Without it. No, ma'am.
Listen to me, all of you.
Computer can work without electricity. What is next class?
Now listen to me. You have to learn the question answer of this chapter. Tomorrow I'll take the written test. Written test of chapter 3. Fine? Okay?